Hi everyone, I'm Carson from Guys with Games, and today's game is called Why Bad? In the game, the students are going to be in groups, small groups, but they're going to be presented with a set of 4 words at a time. So each round they'll get a new set of 4 words. And the words themselves are fairly simple or common. They're words that the students need to know, first of all, but the task is actually a little bit more complex. What the job of the students is in this game is to give a reason why each one of these is not like the other. So why would we eliminate brick? Because it's not a fruit and the others are. Why would we eliminate banana? Well, it is yellow and the others are red, so not red. Why would we say this one is different? Maybe a cherry is the only one that has a pit in this group. And then a strawberry, why is this one the odd one out? This one has kind of fuzz on the outside of it. So the job of the students is to write their answers on the paper that we give them. But what is their answer? It is the reason that number 2 should be eliminated. And then we'll count each one. If they don't have an answer, they couldn't think of why strawberry is different, that's okay. But they can only maximum score 3 points maybe, something like that, okay? So we're going to show some examples with Dustin and Winnie, and then you'll have a better idea of how it works. Okay, so here are the new 4 words that you need to write in a reason why it is not like the others. So I'll give you some time right now.
I can go first on this one. So
Okay, Dustin, you go first. Why is I would give them a minute, but Dustin's smart. Why is car not the same as the rest?
Because it has wheels.
Okay, do you agree that car has wheels and no other things here have wheels? Okay, so Dustin gets a point. Okay, what about train?
It runs on tracks.
Agree? It's the only one. I think so too. It's the only one that needs a track. So 2 points. A robot?
What kind of robot are you talking about?
A robot?
Okay, a robot often has 2 limbs.
Huh. Okay. So it has
2 walking limbs. So it's walking like a person.
Agree?
4 limbs.
Okay, good. I was gonna think about it's not a mode of transportation, but that's fine. Okay, so and how about hot air balloon?
It's in the air.
Can fly. Okay. Yeah. Okay. To me, that's good. Okay, so 4. And then Winnie would go again, and we'd see what she had. But that's just the example of how you would play. This is really good for intermediate or higher. I think the younger kids would have a hard time with this kind of game. But thanks for watching.